Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, so let's do it, and here we have to tap on Accounts and Backup. Now let's tap on Backup and Restore, and here we've got whole Google account section, and thanks to this we will be able to back up our data. As you can see, I've got this option turned on. If you've got it turned off, all you have to do is make sure that this switcher will be in this position. So you have to make sure that this option will be turned on, and after getting back we've got the backup account option active. So now we can freely tap on it in order to add a backup account, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, I've got it saved, so simply tap on Next. Now you have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read them. Just tap on it and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so let's tap on Accept. And now your device is exactly telling you what the backup includes, so it will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. So let's tap on OK if we are ready, and as you can see we just successfully added our backup account to this device, and from now on all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. What's more, here we've got automatic restore option, which is right now turned on. Of course you can turn it off just by tapping on it, and it means that your device will restore backed up settings and data automatically when an app is reinstalled. So actually that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.